This is Max Headroom. And what you're about to witness is one of the most sinister-sounding intros to a trailer to one of the greatest epics ever produced in the history of television. And there's more, because you are going to see it as well.
And welcome back to Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, you're subscribed, ring the bell for notifications so that the next time we premiere a video you can be in the live chat with everyone else, and leave a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. And why not another Sovcit fiction double feature?
So,
sit back,
relax,
and enjoy.
Name, rank, and badge number, please.
I'm Officer Tim Edwards with the Knoxville Police Department. I need to see your...
Do you have a warrant?
No, I have you for speeding.
That's not a crime. You don't have a
registration.
You don't have a warrant to search my private person.
You also don't have a valid license here, sir.
So you're trying to force a contract on me, which I'm not obligated to perform under that contract. You're trying to force a contract on me.
Shut up.
Do you have a victim? Have I committed a crime?
Citizens of this city, sir.
I'm not a citizen. I am a national, a sovereign. Not a sovereign citizen, none of that. I am a sovereign Hebrew Israelite American national. I am not a citizen. I'm of the Tennessee Republic, not the state of Tennessee, which is a corporation, and you are a private contractor for the state of Tennessee.
He said we were stealing.
No, you're not.
I have no obligation to perform under the contracts that you're trying to force on me right now. You're violating my constitutional rights, which you took the oath to uphold.
Yeah, we right here. We pulled over.
You violating your oath. Like, do you stand in honor today?
Yeah.
Do you stand in honor of your oath today? I'm asking you a question. You have a duty.
Beaver flags all his duties.
To answer that question.
Okay.
You took that oath, didn't you? Did you not, sir? You violating your oath right now. In violation of Title 18, 242. Title 18 USC 241 and 242. Why don't you go look that up? Because you're in violation right now. You violating your oath. I ain't committed no crime. I'm taking my kids to drop them off so I can take my wife out to eat. You are prohibiting me from traveling. You are detaining me unlawfully. I have not committed a crime. There is no victim. Where is the victim at? Who filed a complaint against me? No one. You have no probable cause whatsoever.
You got any paperwork on this car, sir?
Do you have a warrant? Am I obligated to show you anything right now? No, I am not. You are violating my rights.
Are you in the state of Tennessee?
No, I'm not in the state of Tennessee. The state of Tennessee is a municipal. I'm in the Tennessee Republic. The Tennessee Republic, not the state of Tennessee is a municipal corporation. And I am not obligated to perform. I have no contracts with y'all whatsoever. You trying to force a contract on me.
Driving on a city street.
I am not driving, I am traveling. This street is for the people, and I am one of the people of the Tennessee Republic. And you have my private property right now, and I would like that back, please.
No, sir. We're going to hold on to you.
No, you're not holding on to that. Now you stealing my property? Are you stealing my property?
Can I get some information about
That's
this
all the
vehicle?
information you getting. This is my private conveyance. This is not a vehicle.
How old are you, sir?
Sir, I don't answer questions without my lawyer present. I have not committed a crime. I ask the questions, I don't answer them. I'm not trying to be rude, mean, or none of that, but you're not about to violate my rights. You took an oath to uphold my rights, and you violating them right now. No crime has been committed whatsoever. You can't even produce a victim. Where's the victim at? Who did I hurt? The state of Tennessee? Bring the state of Tennessee out here. Where's the state of Tennessee at since I violate their statutory code ordinance? Code and ordinances.
157, 136, what's your question? We're just west.
This officer right here violating my rights. He has no jurisdiction. He's operating out of his jurisdiction right now. And I will be seeking civil suit on this officer in the state of Tennessee for violating my rights.
Are you threatening me?
You will be getting sued, sir. I just want you to know that. You in the state of Tennessee, in Knoxville Police Department. A group of thugs, a group of ruds. Read my notice right there, sir. Read my notice.
And sadly, that's how that video ends, and there's no follow-up. I can't find anything. I'm sorry. But let's go to this next video, and let's see some action.
Being pulled over.
And if you're not familiar who Devontae King is, yes, this is his wife.
The reason I pulled you over is the plates come back not on file. Do you have your license on you, ma'am?
Why would I need my license? I'm exercising my constitutional rights. My rights that are protected by the Constitution.
All right, I see what's going on here.
Yeah,
to travel freely.
You have to have a driver's license.
In my private property. This is my private property sign.
Okay, well, in order to drive a vehicle, you have to have a driver's license.
I'm not driving a vehicle, ma'am. I'm traveling in my private property.
Can I get bonus points if I act like I care?
Do you have a driver's license?
Why would I need a driver's license to travel, to exercise my constitutional rights?
What's your name?
What's your name? Under the Fifth Amendment, I have the right to not incriminate myself.
Okay.
Soon after.
Ma'am, I need you to open the door, please.
Why would you need me to open my door?
Well, if you're refusing to cooperate, you're gonna come back with us.
So you're gonna arrest me?
Well, if you refuse to cooperate, I will.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and open the door.
I'm not gonna open my door. Do you need my name? If I don't give you my name, you're going to arrest me, right? If I don't give you my name, you're going to arrest me?
Yes.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure that I got that recorded.
Ma'am.
Because you guys are violating my constitutional rights.
Okay. We're not.
But you are, because I have the right to be safe and secure in my person's papers, property, and effects.
Okay.
Step out of the car, please.
I need you to open the door. I'm asking you to come back to the vehicle. Supreme Court's decided that we have the right to do so for our safety. So open the door. We'll open it.
I'll give you my name. I'm not going to open my door,
At this
though.
point, I'm asking that you open the door.
Why would you need me to open my door? For traveling.
Back to the car with us.
Why would I come back to... Am I under arrest?
You're being detained. That's what a traffic stop is.
A traffic stops mean I'm being detained.
Okay, are you going to cooperate or do I have to break you?
I'll give you my name, yes.
I'm asking you out of the vehicle now.
Okay.
Open the door. Okay. Turn and face the vehicle, please. Turn and face the vehicle, please.
Get your ass to jail!
This is harassment. Why am I being under arrest?
Well, if that hasn't got Oscar written all over it, I'll eat my invitation to the award ceremony.
Yep, Devontae taught her well, didn't he? Thanks for joining us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, ring the bell for all notifications so the next time we premiere a video you can be in the live chat with everyone else, and leave a comment in the comment section to tell me what you think. Till next time, Wanìshi. Thank you, and I'll see you later.